Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Adrienne Jewell. I am a part-time reseller, and I'm just taking you along my day, somewhat of a day in the life type of video, but not with all the little details, I guess. I just dropped the kids off and I made my commute to where I'm working at today. If you don't know, I'm an instructor. I work for a very large corporation here in Arizona, and I get to do all kind of cool stuff. So today, well, at least this week, I am going to be attending a video editing course. My boss knows that I do YouTube, so he figured why not help the team with some videos. We're getting a lot of requests for them. So I'm here in Tempe, Arizona to learn how to edit videos for my job, and also I'll be able to use some tips and tricks for my YouTube channel too. So I'm very excited about how my channel could potentially be later on once I apply all these tips and tricks, but the priority at this point is food. Dropped the kids off, made my commute to Tempe. Now I am sitting in front of a QT right now because I want to get some food so I can stay focused and really pick up everything that I need to learn today. Alright, so I'm going to go in, grab some food, come back out, and we'll go to the training facility and start the rest of my day. Alright, I'm back in the car, and let me just show you what I got. So I'm trying to be healthier, and I've been tracking my macros, and because that's what I did initially when I first started trying to get healthy like years back. So I'm counting my macros, and so what I got were these hard-boiled eggs. Gonna wash these off and eat these. Hopefully they're good. I don't know. I mean, it's QT, so I don't know. I'm hoping they're good. And then I got these Belvita cookies. I love these Belvita cookies. They're very good. I eat them with my coffee whenever I have coffee. And as a snack for later, I just got these little munchies. They're not too horrible, not too much fat. Although it is processed, I'm just gonna be okay with it. There's not very many options in QT, so that's just what I'm gonna have. And yeah, let's just get to the training facility because I am about to be late. I won't be able to share much in here just because there are other people attending the class, of course, and out of respect for them and the instructor, I'm not able to film that much. So, but I'll take you along my lunch hour and breaks and all that good stuff. We're learning how to make a music video, so we're taking footage with 5 different cameras and a guy on the stage playing the guitar and singing, and we're gonna splice up the videos and make a nice music video out of it. So that's pretty cool. And it's really cold in there. My hands are like defrosting, which is why I'm outside. It's like probably over 90 degrees right now. And there's tons of airplanes flying over, so I'm just gonna wrap this up right now, go back inside and get ready to make my music video. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We are on our lunch break now, so I have one package that I need to drop off, just one, but that's okay because, you know, one sale is better than no sales, right? So we're gonna drop that off on Mill Avenue. Then there is a Buffalo Exchange nearby Mill Avenue, so I wanna stop by there. I think I'll be okay on snacks and stuff because I'm not really hungry right now. Those eggs were okay. They needed some salt and pepper, but they're okay for just a run into the gas station, I guess. But anyway, let's get on to Mill Ave. Let's go ahead and drop off my package and get on over to Buffalo Exchange, and hopefully we'll have time to shop. Okay, we're on Mill Ave right now. It's pretty busy. It's a lot of construction going on, you can probably hear it, so we're just going to drop this off. It's my one package that I have to drop off, and then we'll head on out. We'll head on out to go to Buffalo Exchange and just enjoy the rest of my lunch hour. Hopefully I have time for maybe some food. That'll be great. So I'm just going to end it here because I don't know if anyone's in line. I don't want to, you know, film someone without their permission. So, and as I go out, I'll probably just do like a quick span of Mill Avenue. So if you're ever here in Phoenix, you should visit Mill Avenue because they have lots of restaurants, bars, lots of fun here too. So let me drop this on. Should I buy it? Again, it's $28, new without tag. The tag is ripped off. So, should I get it? I wanted it. It's so cute. It's a little bit long, but I'm gonna have to say no. Bills first. Sorry, I want you, but bills first. Alright, that was a lot of fun. There are some great brands. I got a few of them, and I'll show you that a little bit later. I got some sale items, so I found some really cool sale items, and you can tell me whether or not I did a good job in the comments below. But right now I got to get back to the training facility. 15 minutes left, so I have about enough time to maybe grab something small to eat and then continue the day. So I'll see you back there. I'm going to try to take a video of me posting on Instagram so you guys can get an idea of what that looks like, because I try to post every day. Try. Does it happen every day? No, but I try. Hey everybody, I am currently outside. It's nice and sunny out here, so why not come out and defrost from the very cold AC. I am actually filming at the same time as I'm posting this. You can see my camera back here. So this clip is going to be in my next video, which will be tomorrow, so don't forget to watch tomorrow. Should have it up by, hopefully by 7 or before I leave the house. I should be leaving the house by around 8 o'clock, so hopefully it'll be up by then. And again, it's just going to be a kind of day in the life type of video, so it'll be a lot of fun. Not really, I don't know if it's fun. Is my life fun? I don't know. Hopefully it is. Hopefully some of you think so. So yes, that is it, and I will see ya later. Hey everybody, I am currently outside. It's nice and sunny out here, so why not come out and defrost from me. Okay, I'm all done with the video editing class. We learned how to do a hyperlapse video and slow motion today with freeze frame, so I'm excited to bring those type of deals to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be exploring a little bit, so don't hold me to a higher level yet, because there's going to be a lot of trial and error for sure, but I'm super excited to bring my channel, or bring some little aspects to my channel. And yeah, but anyway, before I go into all this rambling, I want to go get the kids. I have to get the kids because they can't drive home themselves. So I'm going to go get the kids. We're going to go home, hopefully eat, because I'm starving, and Mike will be at home waiting for us. So let's just get on the road before traffic gets too bad. Okay, we're just gonna eat and watch a movie on our projector. That's Sweetheart's food. Swimming in sriracha soon. Mine is swimming in soy sauce. I didn't eat, so I have the macros to have some of these. And then I'll be okay. So, yeah, what are we gonna watch, Sierra?
Whatever you want to watch.
So this is the first thing that I picked up. It is a Kate Spade tweed skirt. It's got somewhat of an exposed zipper here. Bring it back so you can kind of see it clearer. And this was a sale item, so it was $25, so half of that, so $12.50 for this, but I figure I can get at least $30-40 on this, so it should be a good flip for me. Tweed skirts always sell, and it's Kate Spade, so I'm pretty happy with this. And then the other 3 items that I got are here. These were also sale items in the shoe section. This is a, see if you can see it, it says Shoe Cult by Nasty Gal. So this is a pair of emerald green leather booties. I figured these would be great for the coming fall season, because people are going to be shopping for fall very soon, sooner than we know, and these will be up in my closet. I saw a couple sold for recently around $20, $25, but that's fine because that was someone else's choice to sell it for that amount. I will choose to sell probably more between $35 and $50, just depending on what other comps look like during the time that I list them. And then I found these beauties, which I think I want to keep, but you know, we always say that. And these are some splendid, they're called the Basset knotted slides. So these were also part of the sale. Got them for $10. These retail for $118, and I saw some sold around $25, or I think it was $25, $30. So even if I sell them for 20 bucks or $25, I'll make $20 off of that, and I'll double my money basically. So I can either double my money or just keep them, and I love them, and you know, either way will work for me. The last item I got were these, which I have to hurry up and get listed. It says Beach Babe. They're a size 8.5. Those two are sizes 7.5, but this is an 8.5. It's a Circus by Sam Edelman, so you can see here. And this was a sale item. It's an 8.5. It was $15 originally, but on sale for $7.50. They are some espadrilles, so I think I can sell them, probably sell them more around $25 to $30, depending on other comps, but I'll probably list them at around $35 and just go from there. Maybe $39, go from there. We'll see. I have to check comps and see what others are listing them for. But that's what I got. I spent around $40 for these 4 items, so that brings my average cost per goods around $10 for each of them, but I should be able to profit off of every single one of these pieces. So that's why I'm very happy that I picked them up. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is going to be comparing, actually not comparing, but I'm going to be taking some items from my inventory and then taking them over to see if I can sell them. So hang on tight for that video. That will be an upcoming one that will come to you soon. But how did I do? Did I do good? Did I do bad? What do you think? Would you have picked these up if you saw them at a Buffalo Exchange? Let me know in the comments. All right, I'm ending the video here because the only thing really left to do is to edit this video and then do a quick little workout before I go to bed. So thank you so much for joining me this week. I hope that you enjoyed my little day in the life type of deal this week. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about the Buffalo Exchange prices. What do you think about what I did pick up? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know if you have any video ideas for the future. I like to make videos that will help you. So if there's anything that you're concerned about, wondering about, anything at all, please let me know. I'll definitely do a video for you. But that's it. So until next week, I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful sales week, lots of sales days ahead, and a great day.